Hi guys, so today I am gonna show you a special recipe which is my spicy gourmet ramen noodle hack. So I want you guys to know that I am very happy to share it with you. I had this special recipe done by my spiritual mother in the sky and she gave it to me, so I wanted to share it with you, and I wanted to represent her as the one that actually got it for me. Okay, so I want you guys to know that this recipe is called the spicy ramen gourmet hack, which is made by my mother in the sky, which is called the Xena Ace recipe. So I want you guys to know that everything is done perfectly fine, and I'm very glad to even taste the flavor of it. So I want you guys to know that you can get this anywhere else, and it's very easy to shop online to get the basic Asian ingredients. Okay, so the ingredients are here. So as you know, that I want you guys to know that I will detail every ingredients down below in the description so you guys can do it. And I also want you guys to know that if you guys can subscribe to me and give it a likes and thumbs up and listen to my music, it will be great. Okay, so basically right now, let's just get started. So I will share you the ingredients and let's just get real on. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we have here. Okay, so right now let's just get ready for everything. So I will start putting the fire on. So let's turn on the gas. So that's the gas. We're pretty much done with it. And then I'm gonna put the stove on here. And then afterwards we add the water in. So this is the water, 500 ml. So we add it in. And then afterwards, what you want to do is add the eggs in. So you add the eggs in. And then you let it heat up for a bit with the seasoning. So you add the seasoning here. So these are the noodle pack seasoning. And then these are the vegetables that comes with it. And then you add the butter in as well. So butter. Scoop it in very simply. And then the rest will heat up itself, so it's not really a bad thing when it comes to doing all these things. And then you add a bit of the pepper as well. So these are the ground pepper. And then you add the Sriracha sauce. So Sriracha sauce right here. And then you add it in. Done. And then you add the garlic powder. Instead of the garlic powder, I have garlic paste. So I use garlic paste. So this is how it looks like. Closely. And then you should let this heat up for a bit more as how it is. Okay, so in the meantime, I will add the chicken seasoning as well. So chicken seasoning, which is the chicken powder, which is coming from the Asian market. And then you add your sauces as well, so the barbecue sauce. Let's bring it in there as well, so scoop it in. sometimes like when you like don't have time for the water to boil and heat, you can still add everything together inside it, so it's not really bad when it comes to like adding things in. And then you add tomato sauce as well. Sometimes when I list the ingredients down in the list, you can do it in any order you want. So it doesn't matter what you put in as long as you follow the first step. So you add the honey as well. So this is the honey. So I'll stick this in. So it gets all the juice in there. And then you add your spring onions as well. So these are the spring onions. I'll show it to you closely so you see it. It's a bit of an onion and spring onion together, so it's not really a big thing. Add all those things. And then you add the chicken stock as well. So this, can't see it closely, but it's chicken stock. You add it in. And then afterwards, you add the meat and everything in, like the vegetables, the meat, so vegetables. Salami, which is like the meat that I had, because before then I made a batch of these. They are in chicken form, so it's different. So yeah, we add it in. And then the last thing you want to add is the cheese. And then in the meantime, what you want to do is let this freaking sauce or the soup of the broth heat up for at least like around 5 to 10 or 15 minutes. And then before then, you want to heat this for like at least 5 minutes. So you let this stove heat up for 5 minutes, and right in the meantime, this is how it looks like. And I'll close up for you. Oops. So basically, this is how it looks like. And then what you want to do is mix it up with some kind of like sauce. So you want to mix around the sauce around there before you add the noodles in while the egg is cooked in. So you mix it around. You mix all the flavor around. And then you let it on for like 5 minutes at least. So 5 minutes should be good. In the meantime, these are the ingredients that we use already, so we're pretty smooth. I will get back to you in around 5 minutes, so stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. So after like 5 minutes is done, I wanted to show you what it looks like. So right now, this is what it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Pretty much boiling inside, crazy. Alright, so basically my tripod is really bad right now, so I don't know what happens to it, but I want to give it a little taste to see how it's like. So right now this is how it is, and I just want to give it a little scoop here so you can see it, and then I'm going to blow it up a bit. Oops, the thing is here, so I have to scoop properly. Yep. So just had to blow it up a bit. It's dripping. Beautiful. It's a bit salty, but we're gonna have to put a bit more honey in a minute. So right now I just wanted to show you that we have to put the noodles in. So this is the noodles that we're gonna put in. I'm just gonna leave the tripod here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so after when you put this thing in, you add the orange juice. So this is the orange juice to like even it out, to like slimmer it off. So you add juice and 50-50 of water and then 50-50 of juice. So 250 ml with water and 250 ml with orange juice. So you mix it together and then it becomes this. And then you add it in. And then afterwards, let it sit for at least around like 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how it is. But you want to make sure that you leave it on low heat to make sure that it gets all the thickness of the sauce. So yes, basically that's what you do. So it's not really hard to deal with this whole simple magic things. So yeah, so I'm going to put the lid on. So this is the lid. A very big lid. And then we close it up like that, and then we'll lay it on for at least low heat. So it's not really bad, we're just gonna leave it on low heat. So that is pretty much it. Step 2 is done right now, and then once it's done, we just have to go to step, this is step 2, beyond step 2. Whatever step it is, you just have to go through the process of following down, which is my instructions in the description box, okay? So in the description box, you can like really like follow up with whatever plans I put in for you guys. Okay, so I will come back in around like 15 to like 30 minutes, depending on how this thickness of the sauce is like, okay? So stay tuned. Okay, so basically what happened is I've been waiting for around 45 minutes. So let's just see how things go. I thought it was gonna be around 10 to 15 minutes for the waiting time process to like slimmer the low gas heat to keep the sauce thickened up. So around 45 minutes is the maximum that I'm going for, to let you guys know that you guys have to wait. Alright, so let's just check it out. So basically I'm just gonna tear the heat off afterwards. So this is what it looks like to you guys. So the sauce, you see how it looks like that? Very thickened up. So I'm just gonna really move it around, stir it around, and it's not really that bad, but it's really that good. You can see how it's like. So yeah, you can see how I'm doing things. So I can't have a lot of cameras doing my thing. So basically we're just gonna shoot a show with one camera. And I'm using my iPhone 14 Pro, so it's not really bad. So yeah, so we're mixing it around, and I don't know if I add the fish sauce in there as well, so I'm gonna add the fish sauce. So I'm just gonna put the tripod there. So this is the fish sauce. I don't know if I did put it in before, but I can't remember, so I'm just gonna add it in again. And then I'm gonna add extra honey because I said it was a bit salty. Really quickly, so this is the honey. So I'm just going to cut around 10 seconds from it. My mom's a bit yelling crazy, like my earth mom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. And then we should mix it up. And then give it a little taste test afterwards to see how it's like. But right now we want to thick up the sauce, so it's really good right now. So the consistency is really good. So we add the cheese as well. So these are the cheese. Just want to give a clear look. It's a bit like melted a bit, but it's not bad. So the cheese goes in there. 2 slices in there. Beautiful. And then we're just gonna leave it on just for a bit, just to mix the sauce together. And then voila, it becomes my special spicy ramen gourmet hack, which is my recipe throughout my godmother nature. And she's my spiritual mom. You guys don't know her yet, but later on when you guys get to listen to the 2020 Bible, which is around like 99 verses going on. The reason why it's 99 verses is because up in the heaven sky is 999, which is the number of heaven is 9, and then it is a lucky number. So the number 9 means it's high, and then the number 6 means it's low. So in hell, the hell chambers kingdom, basically you don't know that exactly. So it's the pit of fire. So basically it's number 666. That's why you guys hear a lot from the people who are satanic and stuff. So basically I don't want to share too many of these kind of things right now to you guys, but we keep it clear. Alright, so back to mixing it around. So yeah, beautiful, and it should look like this. So right now it's perfectly done, and I just need to really turn off the gas. So I'm just gonna turn off the gas right now so you guys can see how it looks like. So I'm just gonna turn off the gas. So yeah, so it should look like this. And then once you let it sit for around 5 minutes before you serve it, it should thicken up and it should look like this. I'll show you, 1 second. So basically it should look like this. Perfectly fine, beautiful. Alright, so I will show you the results in 5 minutes once waiting is done. So we'll talk soon. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I've been waiting for around 5 to 10 minutes to let the ramen to cool down. So basically what I want you guys to see is how the results looks like. So let me bring it closely to you. So that's the results of the ramen. You can see it for yourself. And now let's just chow time. So I'm gonna really put it on here for you guys to see what I'm gonna be doing. So just scoop it out. So I'm gonna scoop a few of it out. Just a little bit, not eating too much, because I normally don't eat a lot unless I feel really bad. So yes, this is the noodle. You can see it for yourself. And then let's just give it a little taste test. So here is the taste test. So make sure that it gets really good. Yeah, so this is the taste test I'm gonna eat, and I'll let you know from 1 to 10 stars if it's good. So rating from 1 to 10 if it's good or not. It's perfect. So it has a bit of aroma flavor to it, a bit of a lemongrass, some chicken stock that my mother made last time, and like I say, it's very spicy. If you guys don't like spicy, then I suggest you to cut out the spicy ingredients and put the rest inside. And then that is it for a gourmet ramen noodle hack, which is made by my mom in the sky. So it's my mother nature. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just listen to my music, okay guys? So if you guys like my music, then just follow me, but make sure to subscribe, like this video, and give it a comment and see how things go. All right, love you guys. All right, thank you.